Hi friends, this is Catherine. I just had to share a really exciting special that's coming up on May 1st. Scentsy will be celebrating their 15th anniversary in business this May, and they are sharing this celebration with all of you. In May only, you have the option to start your own Scentsy business for only 15 US or 20 Canadian dollars. In that kit, you get products, you get tons of training. I will help you every step of the way with your business. You really have nothing to lose. I mean, I just spent $20 on takeout today. It costs more than $20 to go to the movies. So why not take your next $15 or $20 and invest in yourself and your future, and I'll be there to help you.